Hey everybody, welcome back. Shop Time with Dave here with you. So some of you do and some of you don't know, I recently made a trip to eastern Minnesota, and part of that was for the grand annual fall plow day with the other farm related YouTube creators. But part of that trip was something else. We had a little channel donation that came in from Pete 359. So let's get to this and do a little bit of a walk around, and I'll show you what we got. Here we go. 1949 Co-op E3 wide front, obviously. So Mr. Pete 359 had this tractor and thought that Shop Time with Dave needed it. So he graciously donated it to the channel to be restored. And so I don't know when that'll happen. There's some stuff in line in front of it. But we're going to jump on it when we can. Let's see what we got. Pretty good shape for however many years that is. Let's see, 74, something like that. Anyway, got the live hydraulics, got a distributor there. Let's see, I believe it's a Buda 153. I don't know how well you'll be able to see it. 4-speed transmission with reverse and a high-low. So I guess that gives us 8 forward and 2 reverse. All in all, it's pretty complete. I have the grill shells. Got original Co-op tires on them, but I don't think I can save these. Not sure what to do about the belt pulley yet, whether we'll send it off to have it rebuilt or if I'll make a steel one for it. Zenith carb. Somebody's put the alternator on it. That don't bother me, I guess. I just find it easier when the inevitable happens and something dies out in the field. It's nice that you can just drive the truck over there and jump off of that and get it running again. A set of weights on the back. One of the things I really liked about this machine and wanted is live PTO. All things considered, it's not tore up too bad. It's pretty straight, other than something's missing here. I don't know. I guess the easy way would just get another fender and put on there, but when do we ever do the easy way? We'll make one. Or at least try making one. You don't get any experience by not doing anything. Unfortunately, this motor has locked up. I suspect it's full of water. So let's pause for a second and see if my suspicions are correct. Here we go. Yeah, I cheated. I loosened this already. But I have not opened it all the way. So the question of the hour is a 5-gallon bucket enough? I guess we'll find out. Yeah. This is not the first time we've been through this. Not a surprise. But the fun is in unraveling the mystery, right? Are we up to a gallon yet? Looks kind of green. I hope that's not antifreeze. Actually, the camera makes it look a lot more green than what it really is. Still waiting on oil. Good thing we didn't try to start it. Or break it free and try to start it. Looks like we might be up to 2.5 or 3 gallon by now. Oh, it's turning black. Still looks pretty thin. The suspense. I guess what's the worst that could happen? We find another motor to put in it. Luke Strasser would want to LS swap it. Almost there. Almost there. It's gurgling. Alright, that's about enough of that. Alright. Here's the drain plug. You all watch. I'm going to put it in the toolbox with, well, the mouse nest. Don't lose it. But you all saw where it went. Alright, here's the part you were waiting for. How much did the donation cost me? It looks like I stopped 6 times for gas. And I've tried to cover up any personal information on here. And if you can read my really small numbers on these receipts, my chicken scratch math totals up to $397.77. I don't have the exact hotel number with me, but I believe for 3 nights was around $400. So you could say that this was $800, or you could say that it was nothing because I was going to make that trip already anyway. However, driving the truck instead of the car probably cost more fuel, and dragging the trailer on probably cost me a little bit more on top of that. So I guess it comes out in the wash. It's all in fun. It's our hobby. It's what we love. It's what we do. It's what brings us together. And I don't know if we can even put a number on that. The friendships alone are worth way, way more than what $800 ever could be. So it's up to you. Was it nothing? Was it 800? Or was it 50-50, or however you look at it? Y'all think about it. Get back to me in the comments. This is Shop Time with Dave, signing off for now. Hope you enjoyed. Come back for more. Thank you. Bye.